is a filter.
So hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Ashanti, back at it again with another thing. And today I'm going to show y'all how I turn my wig, which is one of my good wigs that look busted. I mean, it's not busted, but I just really don't like it long because I don't think long hair on me looks good. So yeah. So I'm about to turn this into a bob wig.
So basically, in the video, you see me putting on the wig cap, but I just took it off because it was sliding back. So yeah. And in this video, I have the hair that I use link in the description box because this is some really good hair. I had this hair for about like damn near the whole summer, and I'm still rocking it today. But I just really got tired of the long look, so I just cut it into a bob. So yeah. So right now, I took off the wig because I wanted to. I thought I was gonna put it on the wig head, but I wanted to measure it on myself before I cut it. So I'm just detangling the wig first. And here you see me taking rubber bands and like tying it so that I can cut under the rubber band so it will be sort of kind of even, and it will help me as a guide to where I want to cut it. And when I did this, it sort of came out even, but as you can see in the video, I did clean it up. Yeah, and you want to cut longer than you need because you can't put back what you didn't already took off. So yeah, if I wanted to, I could have just left it like that, but I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. So yeah, I put it on the wig head to like clean cut the back or whatever, but like I did mess it up, so I had to cut shorter than I wanted to. So yeah, learn from my mistake and don't cut shorter than you need to. That's why you should always cut longer. And the scissors that I was using wasn't even cutting shears; they were just sewing scissors, but they cut really nice. I look so focused. Dead. And here is where I messed up, and I was about to start crying, but because I really wanted to look nice, but it actually turned out kind of good. And I'm just about to take it off the wig head so I can, place it on myself. As you can see, I was going for an ankle bob, but it didn't turn out that way. And I was acting like the girl that was on that vine. Stiff well, stiff well. Yeah, you know it. So I just wanted to clean up some of the cuts. And here you see me cleaning up what I didn't want or what I tried to do. And you don't have to bump the ends, but I chose to because it was kind of like you don't want to walk around looking like Ford, or what's his name, Ford car off of Shrek. So yeah, I just bumped it. I would advise you to bump it as well. Lord Farquaad, not here, baby. So I put it back on the mannequin head to straighten the back because I knew it wasn't straight, and I just did it layer by layer and straightened it. And I'm not sure if Amazon still sells this hair, or the company that I got it from still sells this type of hair, but I'll link what I had, or try to link, and if I don't find it, I'll link what's closest to it. So yeah, at the end of the video, I did clean up the cuts that you see. But yeah, and I added some Godspeed glue spray, and then I sprayed it and I flat ironed it more, made it slick, as you can see in the thumbnail. So yeah.
Yeah, this is how I turn a ratchet wig into a cute wig, or whatever, which one say. So I don't think I took a picture of what it looked like before. But yeah. Peace.